What's up, guys? I'm going to show you some new stuff I've got. Stuff that you might have saw in the last video that I kept. Okay, got this Doom t-shirt. I kept that from my airdrop crate box video, the last video. And for right now, I'm keeping the Harry Potter Ashbreaker with the owl and the Harry Potter map. But I might be doing something with that later on. Okay. But the other stuff I have got, this goes from Pump and then is my brother got me a Funko Pop from Coffeeville Walmart. It's Kyle from Mortal Kombat movie. Then I got the Walmart exclusive one score bin, and then I have shown this one earlier this month or last month. This is the regular scorpion one. So they look similar, but they don't. Like this one, he's standing with a sword and mask. This one, he's on knee with the sword pointed towards the person in the other hand, and so that's the difference. And then been having this game. I don't remember if I showed it in the other one, but it's Aladdin and the Lion King combined. It's not that bad. And then my brother, being silly as he is, he broke this controller right here. Broke it. So he went and bought me this one. Is the one I've been using is red, black, and white. As you can tell, that's white. This is red. This is black. If you know anything about my color theme and all, it's black, red, and white for the website, the YouTube, and all. So now I got a controller. And something to try to fix this one, I got Hubertuff electric repair kit. And my brother also got me brushes to clean the PlayStation more. But that's it, guys. So peace.